Oh gosh, third day of school and today is about Easter, I know. Woo, I don't know why it's happy and Easter shit. But you don't have specials today. It's kinda sad. But tomorrow you will have media. But we will have a egg hunt scavenger, but it's really not about eggs, it's about toys in the classroom. So whoever finds the best toy ever, like well hidden toy, can win.
Shouldn't it be the person with the smallest toy? Or you want it to be with the best hidden toy?
The best hidden toy. The best hidden toy.
Okay.
Alright, I hit them all, so you can start scavenging.
Okay, I gotta find something. I gotta find something. There's no way I cannot find something in a scavenger. I've done many scavengers, and I know there's something. I just gotta search for it. There's no echolocation like bats do. Ah, screw it. Let's just search with our actual eye. That one. Yeah.
Oh shit, I gotta find something really fast. Cause they say faster you go, the best things you find. Oh shit, there's already something up there. What is this? What the fuck is this? Is this a Barbie doll? Fuck. I guess I'll keep it with me.
I don't know. What do I find now? I gotta find something so I can. I came here for a reason because I need to learn really well. Anyways, it's not humble. Actually, what to say, I've never felt so young before. Honestly, man, I feel young. Anyways, I gotta get that. Oh, I'm definitely winning.
Okay, so guys, I gotta find something really fast. Cause there's no time left. Hello shit, there's something already there. Oh, fuck. Oh, well, at least I got this Brachiosaurus. Well, gotta go.
I gotta find something. I gotta beat everyone in the class. Oh, look, there's a Spider-Man doll. No, so it's an action figure. It's so cool. You know. I got it, man.
Okay, guys, I gotta find this super fast, guys, because I haven't found anything. Oh shit, there's something in front of me already. Wait, how do I know that that is something? Let me. I guess I'll take it as. You think this is a true like toy? It's like mostly like a paper. And just keep it anyways. It might win or something. Okay, guys, I gotta find something super fast. Let me see if you guys can see anything. Ooh, what is this? These are Jordans. Super cool. I'm keeping this.
I still haven't found anything. Holy fuck, there's something right there. Thank you, people.
Oh fuck! He's already got something. He smells like shit. How is he supposed to get something like that?
You
Oh,
smell
look.
shit too.
Oh wait, I can't even grab. Wait, am I hallucinating? Oh look, it's a trophy! It's a race car trophy! I'm definitely keeping this. I haven't found anything yet. Look! Has everyone found their toys?
Yes.
Great. Well, now I'm gonna be picking the best pickers and who won and who lost. Alright. In last place, in first place will be Chicken at the strongest finding with the Brachiosaurus. Super duper, like he's got super good duper eyesight. Yeah guys, I won. I'm obviously gonna win. Second place will be, oh sorry, Pink Skeleton. She has found the Pokemon card that was right next to a damn bunker that I put. But Pink Skeleton found Pokemon cards. Yeah. In third place will come Turkey.
Woo!
With finding a tank well hidden under a pillow. Unbelievable. How did he find that?
I have eyesight.
Oh, okay. And then in fourth place, I have to say T-Rex. T-Rex to come in fourth place. T-Rex, come on. Yeah, guys, I found the Jordans. Good for you. Okay, fourth place. Fifth place, I had to say Chicken Junior. Yeah, this man's an honor.
Yeah. Hey man, I didn't win.
But at least you won fifth spot, the top 5. Sixth place will be Peazer, because Peazer did find something really a little bit small. Yeah, sixth place isn't bad. Top 10 at least.
Go, Bulls! I'm before you, Green Skeleton!
Yeah, and then seventh place will be Green Skeleton, finding a little trophy that I didn't think he would find. I mean, he's kind of blind a little bit. Oh, I'm sorry.
Screw you, Peter.
Eighth place will be Sammy, finding what was that guy's name? Jabba the Hutt. Come on, get your ass over here, Sammy. Hurry up. Can't wait. Well, at least 8th place is great. At least I made it to the top 10, right? Yes, he made it to the top 10. 9th place will be, let's see if any other players are around there. No, 9th place will be Chocoba. Chocoba, get up here.
Yeah, guys. What place am I in?
9th place.
Oh, woo!
And then last place, unfortunately, Dragon. Finding the easiest shit, Justice and Cardinal. Fuck you, teacher. Fuck this school. Fuck you, students, and fuck you.
You're just jealous.
Well, guys, I can't believe I won. I won the scavenger thing, but I wonder where's my trophy. Oh, yeah, it's up there. Oh, let me go get my trophy first, guys. Alright, guys, this is my trophy. Wait, teacher, why is it circled like a soccer ball? I'm too lazy to buy a real trophy. I don't even care anymore. Oh, it looks cool. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed the school part 1, the school part 3. Yeah, sorry about short, dude. No, it's 7 minutes. Don't worry. But I just want to say, like, share, and subscribe to the video, and yeah, try to get to 5 subscribers really fast, guys. But one more thing, guys, if you keep hearing like water, that's because we're next to media, and we'll show you tomorrow when we go to media. But media has a fish tank, and we'll show you the fish tank. It's gonna be super cool, guys. But like, share, and subscribe. See you in the other episode. Bye, guys.